Hello, my name is Christian Rogubete. I'm a Stellar developer, the main developer of the Stellar iOS SDK and of the Flutter SDK. And today I would like to present you a new project that we want to build. It is the Turrets DAO. The Turrets DAO is related to the concept of Turing complete smart contracts with Stellar turrets on the Stellar network. If you are not familiar with turrets, please go and visit turretsstellar.org to learn more about this. In this illustration, you can see a decentralized network of Stellar turret servers running Turing complete smart contracts. The user can execute these contracts, has to pay for it, and the result is then sent to the Stellar network. What is Turrets DAO about? Turrets DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization which is governed and managed by its members. It belongs to its members. And the main goal of the Turrets DAO is to build a network of turrets running smart contracts that one can trust. Why is this? Because we have seen from the past that faulty or insecure smart contracts can lead to huge damage. How is the Turrets DAO going to solve this problem? Is shown in this slide. Members of the Turrets DAO are, for example, Stellar smart contract developers. A Stellar smart contract developer can propose a smart contract which has to pass an audit. In this audit, other Stellar smart contract developers are reviewing the smart contract, and they vote for the smart contract with their reputation tokens. As soon as the smart contract has passed this audit process, it is listed and can be uploaded to Stellar turrets, which increases the trustability of the Stellar turrets. Why are developers going to do this, to implement this? Is because they get rewarded for it. How is this going to work? So as soon as the user executes the smart contract, he has to pay for it like in every other blockchain, and the turret server is going to pay a small amount from this fee to the Turrets DAO in form of DAO tokens, and the Turrets DAO is going to send tokens to the developer and to the reviewer. So they will get DAO tokens and reputation tokens. As you can see here, everybody is benefiting from this system. The user and turrets are benefiting from increased trustability, and the developers are also benefiting because they get rewarded for doing this. What is the current state of the Turrets DAO? We started a couple of days before. We are now in the process of building a community and discussing how to solve the problems. We have a Discord channel with 20 plus members. We are smart contract developers. We have a marketing committee. We have an innovation committee. Some of our members are also members in committees of the JPEG DAO, which is a Stellar NFT DAO. You can find our Discord channel here. We also have already 4 turret servers for development and testing, like for example a testnet turret server and a mainnet turret server. We are collaborating with Instant DAO, which is a project that builds a DAO infrastructure on the Stellar network. They won a prize in the last from the last Stellar Community Fund. We are collaborating with JPEG DAO, which is a Stellar NFT DAO. They are also in the process of building governance in a decentralized way. And of course we are working with smart contract developers, which are members of our community. How will this project help the Stellar community? The open source smart contracts that we will implement to build governance of this DAO will be public, and this will help other projects that want to build a DAO in future on the Stellar network. Also, the Turrets DAO project will attract Stellar developers and new developers to build secure and trustable smart contracts. Why? Because the Turrets DAO is rewarding them for doing so. The Turrets DAO project will enlarge the DeFi sector of the Stellar by the provided secure and trustable smart contracts, which will then attract even more developers and users to join the Stellar network. Our proposal is aligned with the following Stellar network goals. The Stellar network should be secure and reliable. The Stellar network should support decentralization whenever possible, and the Stellar network should make it easy for developers of Stellar project to create highly usable product. What is our roadmap? In the first quarter, we want to build the legal entity. The DAO should have its own legal entity. Herefore, we need specialists who know how to do this. From marketing perspective, we need to launch our social media channels and the website and operate those. From development perspective, this is the biggest effort. We need to implement the DAO governance. We need to implement the audit system. We need to implement the rewards system and the listing system where Turrets and the smart contracts, trustable smart contracts are listed. Of course, to this belongs also the issuing of the tokens, and at the middle of the third quarter we want to have 20 listed servers and 30 audited smart contracts. That's it. I hope you enjoyed our presentation, and if you like the project, please vote for us. If you have any questions, you can find us in the Discord channel. Thank you and bye bye.